This is the Market Meridian Global Market Alert. I'm Eric. Just give you a quick analysis after Israel and U.S. begin to strike Iran. The geopolitical landscape has shifted violently over the weekend. Following a massive joint US-Israeli air campaign against Iran, we are looking at a triple threat scenario: military escalation, energy shock, and financial contagion. Here is the 20-point breakdown of the situation as we head into the Monday Open. The military reality, Operation Epic Fury. Massive sortie: Israel has deployed roughly 200 fighter jets, the largest aerial operation in its history, alongside the US mission dubbed Operation Epic Fury. 500-plus targets. Strikes have hit strategic assets across Tehran, Isfahan, and Qom, focusing on nuclear facilities, ballistic missile plants, and radar arrays. The human toll: Iranian state media report significant casualties. Most tragically, a strike in Minab reportedly hit a school, resulting in the deaths of 85 students, sparking international outcry. Tehran's response: Iran has already initiated crushing retaliation, launching multiple waves of ballistic missiles at Israel and targeting the US Fifth Fleet assets in Bahrain. Regional contagion: explosions and debris have been reported in the UAE, Qatar, and Kuwait. The conflict is no longer contained to two borders. The choke point: Iran has officially closed its airspace and issued a veiled threat to shutter the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most vital oil artery. Regime change signals: in a provocative move, President Trump has publicly called on the Iranian people to take back their government, signaling that the objective may go beyond containment. Diplomatic fracture: Russia has condemned the strikes as illegal armed aggression, while the EU calls for extreme restraint as the UN Security Council convenes an emergency session. 2. Energy and commodities: the inflation bomb. The oil gap: Brent crude closed Friday near $73. We expect a massive gap up on Monday's open, likely testing $80 to $85 instantly. If the strait is blocked, $100 oil is a near certainty. Gold's flight to safety: gold has already gained 22% this year. Expect spot prices to challenge the $5,300 to $5,450 range as the ultimate hedge against war. The inflation ghost: analysts warn that sustained high oil prices could add 0.6 to 0.7 percentage points to global CPI, potentially killing any hopes for Fed rate cuts in 2026. Shipping paralyzed: major tankers are already diverting from the Persian Gulf. Expect global tanker rates to double overnight as insurance premiums skyrocket. Supply chain shock: with Middle Eastern airspace dark, cargo flights between Asia and Europe must reroute, adding days to delivery times for semiconductors and consumer electronics. 3. Forex: the almighty dollar returns. Dollar dominance: DXY as the world's safe haven and energy currency, the US dollar is set to surge. Watch for the 106 level on the index. Euro under fire: Europe's energy fragility is back in focus. The euro is expected to face heavy selling pressure, potentially sliding toward 1.05. The yen paradox: we expect a risk-off bid for the Japanese yen as carry trades unwind, though Japan's energy import costs may cap its long-term gains. 4. Wall Street preview: Monday's open, 0.17 to 20. Index futures: S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures are pointed significantly lower, with an expected 1% to 3% drop at the bell. The VIX, fear gauge, could spike above 30. The war winners: expect defense, Lockheed, Raytheon, and big oil, Exxon, Chevron, to be the only green spots on the heat map. The transport bloodbath: airlines and cruise lines will be hammered by the twin pressures of rising fuel costs and closed flight paths. The pro strategy: the first 30 minutes of trading on Monday will be pure emotion. Watch the $80 Brent crude level. If oil doesn't pull back from there, expect the equity sell-off to accelerate through the week. Bottom line: markets hate uncertainty, and we just got a mountain of it. Stay tuned to Market Meridian channel for quick updates the moment the Tokyo and London markets go live. Thank you for watching. Give me big thumb and subscribe my channel. Have a great weekend.